Hi guys, Michael here. So today we are in Maple and we started a couple days back another project. So we have a walkout basement here, and on this side guys is going to be a kitchen from this point to this point, and we're going to have an island where you see now the studs. Alright, so on this end we have a future wall, so on each side we're going to have a built-ins cabinets and shelves. In the middle we have a stone wall with the fireplace, so that's going to be a sitting area where is the drywall. Over there it is a furnace room with the storage, so we have a door to get there. Here is a closet, and this part has a landing that separates between upstairs and downstairs. Okay, so here we're gonna have a bedroom with the linen and another closet here. So let me go inside. So we have a closet and a linen. We also created a new window, which is escape window. As you can see, you can open and you can escape in case of fire. So here we have a nice big bathroom, shower, toilet, vanity. So we have Jack and Jill, two doors, and here is going to be laundry slash storage. So here we're going to have a laundry room, laundry machine. We have electrical panel here, and that's going to be the space for the laundry slash storage. So tomorrow we have electrical work, HVAC, and the day after plumbing, and then I will see you guys when we're gonna start with the drywall work here. Another project on its way. Bye for now guys.